Congratulations.
Ayan, wala pong kayaan dito. Wala pong artista dito ha.
Sigurado ka?
Yes! Nanalo kayo.
Donate! Charot.
Oo. Teka,
Alright, this is the...
Sir Coco and Sir Ding Dong. Kita mo naman ha.
Okay, donate! Donate! Ang pogi naman ni Coco Martin.
Gosh, talaga.
Ganda ng hair.
How much is a Herman Miller chair?
Are we even allowed to say the price? That's $1,000.
$1,000.
Okay.
Direct Coco habang natidirect ka.
50K?
Okay lang ba sa'yo yan?
Alright, maybe call on our
Kung may gusto
CEO,
ba
Fred
i-donate?
Yusong.
Huwag mo-
Fred? Photo op?
Congratulations,
The
Sir
winners?
Ding Dong. And Coco. Yan.
Makakaupo na pang mayaman.
Ay, ito yung ginagamit sa The Voice kasi umiikot siya. Sir Fred, where are you?
Fred?
Ayan. Ito naman wala po tayo ito.
Yay! Woohoo!
Yay! Congratulations, Coco. Kung wala po
Congratulations,
kayong
Coco.
malaking sasakyan, we can deliver it. Pwede po namin deliver.
Alright, our sales representatives will be in touch with you.
Yes.
Wala bang TF?
Pakibalik lang po kasi sample lang yan.
Kumanta ka para may tingin.
Okay!
Magkakabukingan!
Ang susunod na nanalo ng dalawang Herman Miller sale. Ano ba yun? Ganyan din. Ang apelido ay Azurin.
Do we have an Azuri?